Living organisms have something that is recurring all time, known as biological cycles. These cycles play crucial roles in regulating various psychological functions and various behavioral functions as well. Now we are having something called the circadian cycle. This circadian cycle is a 24-hour internal clock in our brain that regulates cycles of alertness and sleepiness by responding to light changes in our environment that we are living in. Our physiology and behavior are shaped by Earth's rotation around its axis. This biological circadian system has evolved to help humans adapt to changes in our environment and anticipate changes in the radiation or temperature or to food availability as well. And without this circadian clock, Homo sapiens would not be able to optimize energy expenditure and the internal physiology of the body. Now, studying during times when one circadian cycle is aligned with peak alertness can enhance the learning process. For most people, peak alertness occurs during the late morning and the early afternoon, corresponding to the mid-morning to mid-afternoon hours. This is when cognitive function and the concentration and the memory tend to be at their best and performing at the highest level possible. And by scheduling study sessions during these optimal times, individuals can capitalize on their heightened mental faculties to observe information more effectively and retain it better. However, it is essential to recognize that individual circadian cycle can vary from person to person. Some people may experience peak alertness at different times of the day, due to factors such as genetics, lifestyle, and sleep patterns, and therefore it is beneficial for individuals to identify their own peak alertness periods through self-awareness and experimentation. Once these peak alertness periods are identified, individuals can strategically schedule their study session during these times to maximize the learning efficiency and the productivity as well. Now we are having the ultradian cycle. These are shorter cycles that occur through the day, affecting the attention span and the concentration as well. Ultradian cycles are shorter than a 24-hour cycle, and in many situations, we wish to work all day long, pretending that we are as efficient as soulless machines, and we get frustrated and disappointed that it does not work. To be honest, we cannot be productive the whole time. We get fatigued, our brain loses clarity, our memory fails us, good mood disappears for no reason, we eat healthy food and we exercise frequently and we have ample sleep, and still we experience those weaker moments when we cannot show how good we are and how serious we treat our everyday duties. And to understand this, humans go through different phases of alertness. Ultradian cycles is known as the basic rest activity cycle, and it is a basic structure predicts that the brain enters the high-frequency alertness phase for 90 minutes and then it moves into a period of 20-minute rest phase. Since we are designed to work effectively for a limited time, we have to use those moments of alertness to the full. After the 90 minutes of activity, we have to rest, otherwise we push ourselves to the limits. Because the more we fight our nature, the less productive we become, the more stressed we become, and the more fatigued we become. The secret of focusing is not great time management, but great energy management. First of all, you need to try to be more attuned with your own body and observe your peak and weak moments. Spend between 60 to 90 minutes on your important task. Work fast, be focused, and limit distractions to the minimum level possible. Take a 20-minute break after the 60 minutes. Do not work. Leave your desk, relax, and allow your brain to rejuvenate and breathe. By aligning your work habits or studying habits with your body nature cycles, you're not only optimizing productivity and focus, but also promoting your overall well-being. This balanced approach ensures that you're not just pushing yourself to work harder, but also giving yourself the necessary breaks to recharge yourself and avoid the burnout. It is all about sustainable performance and taking care of yourself in the process.